Here we go. There it goes. All right. It's as you can see, the rain's coming down pretty good, but we're here at the Triumph British Invasion. So here's the truck. So we're gonna go inside and take a look at a few bikes. Well, here we are at the British Invasion tour, where Triumph has brought in all their bikes. So we'll take a quick look at some of the bikes here. And they got a few that are under covers here, so not sure what we're gonna see, but excited to see what's in here. But this is the British Invasion tour, and they got something under the covers, so we'll get to see what's going on here. So we'll check things out. Got a scrambler here, and Tiger 900 here. Looks like they may have brought back the Thruxton. So looks like the Thruxton's back. It took a hiatus for a couple weeks or a couple years, a couple model years. They didn't offer this, so glad to see that they're bringing it back. So I just noticed that it says Thruxton FE. So I wonder if it might be a final edition. And actually, that's exactly what it is, final edition. Check out the paint job on this. Neat paint job. I think this is part of their stealth line that Triumph's bringing out. So it's got some interesting paint on it. So really interesting, different look. Nice seats. So pretty cool. Here's the Scrambler 1200, which I really like. Let's try to get on it here. Oh yeah, feels great. It's nice and low to the ground. Not a lot of huge updates, but looks nice. So this is the 900 GT Pro, which looks real nice. All right, here we go. Now they're going to do the unveiling. Pull the covers off. Here we go. They're unveiling. What's that? That's the Street 400 or Speed 400, and over there somewhere is the Scrambler 400. So here are the two 400s. The Street 400, which they brought out. It looks good in that red. Nice color. So anyway.
Alrighty, where are my two volunteers at? Let's pull that cover off. Everybody, get your cameras ready.
There you go. They're pulling off the covers on this Daytona 660. There we go. We're getting under the covers. They got it.
Being delicate with my motorcycle.
Here we go. Look at that.
Alrighty, what do we think?
Yeah. Come on, that looks nice. Now here, see Daytona 660. Let's see. Is the taillight turn signal broken already? Oh man. All right, so here's the final one that I'm waiting for them to reveal. It is the Triumph's return to dirt bikes. I forgot what model it is, and I want to say it was like an MX250 or something like that. So anyway, we're just waiting around, getting ready to have them reveal this one. Here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Here it goes. Here we go. Oh. Wow. Take it off! Wow. Woo! Yeah. Oh. That's nice. That's real nice. Oh, that looks fantastic. That looks fantastic. It's excited, really excited to see this.
That motor's tight. That's awesome.
999. Wow. 10 grand though.
What's his frame?
Check out this AC Transit bus that is inside this brewery at the Triumph Fest. But thought it was really interesting that they have a really neat AC Transit bus, old AC retired bus here in the brewery. You can't go on, but I thought it was pretty cool.